Go.
Fuck it. Fuck 'em. Nigga, I'ma go, 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 go. I'ma go, 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 go. I'ma go, 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 go. Shit, I'm go, 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 go. I'ma go, yeah, yeah. I'm on dope, yeah, yeah. I'm on X, yeah, yeah. I want some more, yeah, yeah. Hey, let's go, yeah, yeah. Baby, let's roll, yeah, yeah. Hey, bring some hoes, yeah, yeah. I'ma bring the bros, yeah, yeah. Let's go, 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 go. I'ma go, 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 go. Let's go, you know I'm with it.
Very clear, simple from the start. You guys got an email, you guys have the rules posted out there. My neighbor already called, she has to wake up at 4 a.m. You guys playing music, you guys horsing around the yard, jumping from the rock. Why do I need to be picking up the phone call from her? That's the reason why I was here earlier, to meet you guys in person and show you the rules and tell you, hey,
Can't go in.
don't do this.
I'm trying to party and the neighbors keep trying to shut it down.
Put the music down.
What is you
Stop
doing,
filming
cuz?
up
Go
back.
record, cuz. Go
Stop
record.
pull
Just
from jumping
do
from the
something
rock.
then.
Yeah, 2K.
Let's arrange that to be complete.
You good with that?
Yeah, let's.
Okay.
Ah,
Alright, then I get that. That's 2K.
yeah, let's do the transfer.